Hey guys, this is Ares from Asceny, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use our software. I'm very sorry at the current state of the software. It is actually not that good, but today I'm going to explain to you how to get the best out of it. While recording the video, I forgot to mention that some of you sent us messages and you've told us that for some reason the language is not English. So if that happens to be you, and you don't see it as English, just press this button and choose here English, and yeah, it should be working fine. So let's go to the video, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial video on how to use the Asceny software in order to customize your Asceny One keyboard. Our program is not exactly user-friendly and it's really hard to get the best out of it. So I thought I should make this video as quick as possible in order to explain how to use it correctly. And yeah, let's jump into the video. So I have good news and bad news for you. I'm gonna start with the bad news. This software is like really bad. We are working on it, but at the moment it's really hard to understand and it is quite buggy. But the good news is that we were smart enough to include a flash memory inside the keyboard, so whatever changes that you do to the lightings or to the programming of the keyboard, you just need to do it once, and afterwards you can just delete the program and the settings will be saved on the preset group that you choose. Even if you switch between computers, the settings are saved inside the keyboard. So let's start by explaining that we have three preset groups. The first one, what you see right now, is actually not a preset group. It is the default preset. You cannot change it, which is actually good. So if you mess up the settings, you can always return to this preset. You return to it by pressing function and Q. Right now, yeah, I just got back to the default preset. What I'm gonna do right now is show you how to save settings on other presets. So what we're gonna do is to go to Onboard Settings, because we want to save the settings to the board, to the memory of the keyboard, so we don't have to mess with this software anymore. So I'm just gonna press Onboard Settings here. And right here you can choose the layer. So, the preset. So right now I'm using preset 1, this is preset 2, and preset 3. So I messed up preset 2, but I tried to mess it up because I thought some of you have messed it up, or maybe I even received the keyboard in this way in one of the presets. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this situation where like the keys are not really working fine, and so like maybe you try to program the keyboard and you want to just restore it to default. So what you do is you just go to all the keys that you messed up and you just press here. You see, I'm just resetting all the presets, all this preset, this program is actually buggy, so if you try to press the garbage icon like this, it will just disappear. Even if I press this one, you see I cannot press the garbage icon. I know it's quite buggy and we are working to fix this program, but until then, if you want to press the garbage icon without it running away, you see this small thing here, this triangle shaped thing. You actually need to take the mouse through it, because if you're coming from here, it runs away. if you're coming from here, you can, you know, slide inside this thing. I know this is bad. We are working to fix it. Please give us the benefit of a doubt. This keyboard is actually one of the best keyboards out there, and believe me, this is not what we try to do with the program, but this is what we have now, so I thought I should, you know, let you know how to get the best out of it. So I'm just going to remove all this preset. By removing the binds, I mean, from this keyboard, I do not remove it completely, it just stores it to default. So for now, for example, I removed the N key, but it still functions as N. Wait, I need to apply the settings. So apparently you need to press, you need to choose the lighting before you can save the programming of a keyboard. So this is another bug that I just realized. So yeah, keep removing. I'm gonna keep removing all of them. And I'm gonna apply. So in case that you messed up your keyboard, this is what you have to do in order to get the preset back to function normally, like the normal layer, like this layer. So why do I keep calling it layers? Preset, I mean. So we were fixing this preset, the function E, which is the second preset. Yeah, so now I'm going to explain to you, like I heard that many people want to keep those buttons working as arrow keys even when you're not pressing the function button. I actually do not like it because then you're going to miss this button here. But in case that you want to do it, you just press this button, left arrow key, you save. Just that way, it's pretty easy. And then you're applying everything. And now, as you see, I'm not pressing the function button, and I can still navigate without pressing the function. But right now this button here is like working as upward key, which I don't like. So for myself, I'm just going to remove it like that. Now let's go to the lightings. You have many options here you can choose from, like let me show you. For example, this one, let's try it out. I'm just pressing this one and then apply. And yeah, now my keyboard has this RGB effect, even if I close the program. So you have many options to choose from. I like this pretty much. This one is pretty cool. Oh wait, it's not this one. Which one do I like? I think it was... oh, this one. I pretty like this one because I'm pretty basic, but what else I like is to press the DIY static light, and I like to pick a very dark blue color, use it on all those, and then pick a lighter type of blue and just press the WASD and press here like DIY static light here and then apply. And I think it looks pretty cool because those ones are brighter. So, but you can customize it however that you like. So right now, for example, this is the preset. Let me do something like pretty weird just to show you that you can customize it however that you like. Let's keep it that way. So yeah, now it's showing on the keyboard, and technically, because I saved it to the onboard settings on preset number 2, it is going to be like that forever, even if I quit this program right here. As you see, it still works. And I actually have my first preset, which is the settings that I've shown you before. I've actually made it my own preset. And now I have this second preset, which is what we've done right now. You can do customized buttons like I've shown you and save it to the preset, or do whatever that you want. So I hope you liked this video and it helped you a bit. I'm sorry that you have to go through it, but this is what we have right now in terms of software, and I just wanted to make this video to show how to use it in the best way. And yeah, hope you got something out of it. Have a nice day.